For a centered zipper, I've already gone and marked the ending, the bottom point of my zipper. So to start, I'm going to start at the hem using my pattern seam allowance, stitching up to the bottom of the zipper. I'm going to take a couple of back stitches, and then now I'm going to change. I'm going to lengthen my stitch length so that it's a basting stitch and stitch all the way to the top. I did go onto my facing, or this could be your lining, a little bit. And the next thing to do is to press the seam open. For your centered zipper, after you've pressed the seam open, on the back side of it, place the center right side down. You'll want to check to make sure that the zipper aligns with the seam as you set it down, and then pin that in place. Now that my zipper's been pinned in place, I'm going to start by basting it on, starting at the bottom of the zipper. Now that that side's done, I'm going to go to the other side and do that side. You can go ahead and remove a few basting stitches just to verify that your zipper is centered, and this one is. So now, using a regular stitch from the right side, I'm going to stitch over my basting stitches, starting at the bottom in the center. I want to make sure that I don't go over the little stopper right here. So I'm just going to put a little pin right where that is. And because I have my facing already attached, I'm just going to backstitch right here at the top of it. Then I'm going to go back and start right there at the bottom of my zipper and go up the other side. Now all the basting stitches can be removed. You'll also want to remove the basting stitches that are along here.